In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to add a logo or text to images. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your design in Canva. If you are beginning from scratch, choose a size that fits where your image will be used, like a social post or a presentation slide. Then, head to the Uploads tab on the left. Upload your image and click it to place it onto your canvas. You can drag the corners to resize it so it fills the space the way you want. Let's add text first. Click the Text tab on the left sidebar to choose a heading, subheading, or body text. If you prefer a shortcut, press the T key to drop a text box right onto your canvas. With the text selected, look to the top toolbar to customize it. Change the font to match your style. Adjust the size for readability, and pick a color that contrasts well with your background. You can also try effects like shadow, neon, or curve to add personality. Keep effects subtle so the message remains clear. For legibility, aim for strong contrast and avoid placing text over busy parts of the image. Use spacing controls in the toolbar to fine-tune line height and letter spacing if things look cramped. When you are happy with the look, click and drag the text box into position. Centered text works well for headlines, while corners or edges are great for labels or captions. Watch for Canva's smart guides to help you align elements neatly. Now let's add a logo. Go back to the Uploads tab and upload your logo file. A PNG or SVG with a transparent background works best because it won't show a white box around it. Click the logo to add it to your design, then drag it to a corner for clean, consistent branding. Most brands favor the bottom right or bottom left corners, but choose what complements your layout. To adjust the logo size, drag from a corner handle so it scales proportionally. If you want a subtle watermark, use the transparency slider in the top right of the toolbar to lower the opacity. This keeps your branding visible without overpowering your image. That's it. Thanks for watching.